Hi, I'm Lachlan from Kashy, and today I'm going to show you how to check your air filter. First, you need to open the bonnet and locate the air filter box. You may need to undo some screws or clips to get at the air filter. Open the air filter box and remove the filter. Turn the filter over and inspect for any darkness or any bugs or mud in there. A new filter is bright and clean, which means that this one is probably due for replacement. If your air filter is fairly clean, always make sure to give it a good tap against your hand to make sure that any dust isn't stuck in there. Refit the filter and make sure that the seal sits tight before closing the lid and doing up the screws. Then you can close the bonnet. Thanks again, I'm Lachlan from Kashy, and that's how to check your air filter.